DryGair. It's a machine with a lot of science and development and know-how behind it. Climate conditions have a tremendous effect on the crop, and especially on cannabis. With our solution, we look at our customer, the plant, and we try to give him the optimal conditions to live in. The growers knew that they suffer from humidity, but it was never addressed as a problem. It was always a byproduct of the climate. What we do, we extract the water and we eliminate the risk of reaching the dew point, which is the ground actually to all the humidity disease and all other harm of crop. Air circulation is crucial. It's the only way to create homogeneous climate condition in the greenhouse, keeping uniform condition without the fluctuation of heating and venting. And the homogeneous uniformity is needed because if you have one bad spot, it can influence all the other greenhouse. And the bottom line, in what do we help the grower? We help them in addressing all the issues of the climate, not just bits of pieces. The agriculture system, it's all about balance. We address all the issues and we keep the right balance to create the optimal climate conditions. We give you a whole solution for the climate in the greenhouse, both temperature and humidity.